Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Dian Meilani from Program Studi Pendidikan Guru Sekolah Dasar Universitas Muhammadiyah Kupang. Today, I'd like to share my research with my partner Umu Akbari and I have them. The title of the research is Realistic Mathematics Education Approach, its impact on mathematical conceptual understanding and mathematical communication skill for elementary school students. As stated in the title, purpose of the study is to describe how student mathematical conceptual understanding and mathematical communication skill can be enhanced through the use of realistic mathematics education. Mathematical conceptual understanding is ability to understand concept, operation, and relation in mathematics. I refers to one, stating the concept in their own words, two, identifying or giving example or non-example of the concept, and three, applying or using the concept correctly in various situations. Mathematical communication skill refer to student ability to arrange and link their mathematical thinking through communication, communicate their logical clear mathematical thinking to their friend, teacher, and others. Three, analysis and assess mathematical thinking and strategies used by others. And then use mathematical language to express mathematical ideas correctly. Realistic mathematical learning is a learning approach that utilizes real-world situations for students to construct their understanding and knowledge. Problem of the study, learning assignment. In practice, mathematical learning still encounter various obstacles. One of them is the assumption of student that mathematics is scary, so that mathematics becomes a subject that is hated and disliked. The impression that mathematics is a difficult, boring, and uninteresting subject is still a common opinion among students. This dislike influence the paradigm of mathematical learning, which leads to low understanding of mathematical concept and communication, thus having implication for low student learning assignment. And then learning innovation. To overcome the low understanding of mathematical concept and communication, innovation is needed in mathematical learning, one of which is the use of realistic mathematics education approach. The realistic mathematics education approach is essentially a learning approach that link real things as student experience. In the study, the research method that will be used, the classroom action research or CAR method. CRR method has objectives that are in line with classroom learning activities. The subject of the study were 86 students of class 5 SDN Oisapa Kecil, Kupang City. The research instrument used VR test and observation. The study was conducted in the event semester of the 2023-2024 academic years, which was divided into two cycles. Each cycle was carried out in 4 meetings. Cycle 1 consists of 3 stages starting from action planning, action implementation, and reflection. Cycle 2 follow the pattern of cycle I state. Data source sum from student obtained through observation activities, questionnaires, interview, and mathematical conceptual understanding test. The data of student, mathematical conceptual understanding or MCU, and mathematical communication or MC test was obtained based on the pre-test and post-test score data and observation for several aspects of MCU and MC. The student mathematical concept understanding score can be calculated using the formula. The qualitative data analysis procedure used refer to analysis interactive model from Miles and Huberman, which divides analysis activity into several parts, namely data collection, data reduction, data presentation, and drawing conclusion or data verification. In addition to quantitative analysis, qualitative analysis is also carried out. Quantitative performance indicators are declared successful if the result of the individual mathematical concept understanding ability test reach 80 and the classical accumulation has average exceeding the individual success indicator. Qualitative performance indicator can be seen from observation during learning. Result of the study. Based on the table above, a result of the observation of the implementation of learning by referring to the realistic mathematics education principle have been running very well, although there are many shortcomings that must be fixed in cycle 2. However, the average implementation of realistic mathematics education result reached 83.5% and average has not been implemented is 65%. The activities of researchers and students increased very well in the second cycle, reaching 99% implementation, which meet the criteria very good. Based on the diagram above, it can be seen that overall the completeness of MCU and MC of class 5 student in cycle 1 student MCU completeness reached 69%, which show that 25 students have assignment the passing rate, which is 80. The result cannot be said to be successful because they have not met the criteria for success indicator that have been set. That the minimum student completeness of 80%. The focus in cycle 1 is the implementation of the realistic mathematics education principle applied by the research, which has actually reached a good percentage of 83.5%, but the assignment of the student mathematical concept understanding only reaches the fairly good criteria and 69%. Based on the result of observation during the study, this can be caused by several obstacles found, namely, first, researchers try to apply each learning step in planning without prioritizing student condition. Researchers who are rigid in implementation learning step are less responsive to student situation is very dynamic class. Second, students who are still adjusting to the implementation of new learning make student focus divided. 3. In making the lesson plan, the researcher was less able to determine ways to motivate students. 4. The researcher was not optimal in implementing the realistic mathematics education approach, which was seen from the provision of problem related to material relevant to everyday life that was less varied. 5. The researchers was not optimal in time management. Students were left to work on the worksheet independently, so that it took quite a long time. The 4 days obstacles were then improved and fixed in cycle 2, and a significant increase was seen in cycle 2, reaching 92% of students completing. This increase was supported by several factors, namely, first, the research described problem verbally and with the help of an LCD so that students could quickly understand the problem. Second, the researcher guide group who has difficult working on the worksheet. After the reflection and improvement were carried out in cycle 2, the test result of MCU and MC show an advanced progress. In cycle 2, test result for MCU, 92% of students or 33 students have reached in the passing grade, which is 80, and only 3 students or 8% of students have not met the passing grade. And for MC in cycle 2, 89% of students or 32 students have reached the passing grade, and 4 students or 11% have not met the passing grade. During the first cycle test, some students still had difficulty solving problems related to rectangle and square material. Students were more careful when writing and using formulas to solve problems. In addition, students were able to make conclusions based on reasonable reasons. Because there were still students who were confused, the researcher continued to provide the direction and help students who had difficulty until the students were finally able to work independently. The second cycle test allowed students to work on their own assignment without having to ask the researcher again. Accuracy and problem-solving ability increased, and student ability to draw conclusions based on reasonable reason also increased. Based on the detail from 3 aspects of MCU and MC, the greatest improvement from pretest cycle 1 to cycle 2 for MCU is the ability to apply problem-solving concept or algorithm, and for MC is the ability to illustrate mathematical ideas into relevant form of description. Based on the author's analysis through observation and theoretical study, the increase is caused by constructivist understanding that animate the learning step using the LMA approach. All aspects of student mathematical communication have improved from pretest, cycle 1 and cycle 2 tests. From the result of interview with students conducted by researchers at the end of cycle 2, the researcher conclude that students are very happy in the learning process using real objects. So the student more easily understand the material provided by researcher and active in learning in the classroom. Based on analysis obtained from the observation, the result data, and the result of the interview with the student, the researcher conclude that the learning activity of mathematics with RMA approach can improve mathematical conceptual understanding, mathematical communication of student class 5 SDN Oisapa Kecil, Kupang City. Conclusion of the study. The realistic mathematics education method of the teaching mathematics makes mathematical concept more relatable to real-world situations. Contextual problems serve as a foundation for this lecture. The mathematical notions are found from the contextual difficulty. When using the realistic mathematics education approach, the teacher as a researcher becomes a facilitator rather than a learning center in the classroom. Therefore, teacher's job in the classroom is to direct student learning activities, which may include debating problem, addressing the new contextual problem, connecting part of the lesson content to the material being studied, and improving. His effort to uncover more intricate mathematical ideas are successful. Through the realistic mathematics education principle, learning is focused on students' skills to rediscover. It is began with problem solving with the help of student activities design with attention to the character and culture of Kupang region. This is in line with Vygotsky theory, which introduced the term scaffolding, namely learning assistance provided by teacher. For example, assistance in form of instruction or guidelines in the form of worksheets that are designed by the teacher. This is stimulus in the form question in local life that are constructive to stimulate student MCU and MC. I think that's all we can share about this research. Thank you so much for the opportunity, and we are looking forward for big feedback from you. Leave some comment down below. Thank you everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.